Hi guys, it's Shay here with the Robinson family, coming to you from Orlando, Florida at the Holiday Inn Vacations Club Resort, Orange Lake location. Let's get into this room tour. So yeah guys, this is the basic door with a key card entry. I like that they have a doorbell to every unit. So let's go inside. I like this nice, beautiful, open concept. Little entryway with basic tile flooring. Nice vaulted ceilings. It's really nice. I love the can lighting. And to the right here is a coat closet. Inside the coat closet it has a ironing board and iron. And just in case you need to iron something, there's the broom, vacuum, and mop. And just in case you need to clean up something. Over to your left here is the laundry room. I like it. It has extra linen for the sofa. Your basic washer and dryer. I love to wash clothes when we're traveling, so you don't have to worry about all that when you go home or on your way to a different location. Back out this way is your kitchen. It is equipped with everything you might need to cook. Here's your pantry. Your stove and microwave is basic white. You have everything you might need in the cabinets, like your plates and your cups. Just some more glasses over here. Your mixer, your coffee mug and teapot. I like it. You know, it's just a basic white kitchen. There's your refrigerator. Behind me is your dishwasher, so you don't have to worry about washing dishes. I like this little wall decor. I love the decorations that they use. Here's your breakfast bar and bar stools. Onto the living room, it has a breakfast table with the booth like you're in a restaurant. I love this. This is a nice little concept. It can easily sit about 10 people. Queen size sofa bed. I love this color. It's different. Accent chairs and coffee table. And there's a little entertainment center with the TV. I think the TV is a bit too small, but hey, it's a TV. Nice little vaulted ceilings and lighting. Makes it brighten up the place with this window. And it's a beautiful view out this window, y'all. To a lake, and to the left is the river island. I like it. It's peaceful. Onto the patio. Nice atrium door leading out. Nice little seating area so you can relax with a glass of wine, catch the sunset out on the lake. A door leading to the utility closet. I like that this patio is screened in. It protects you from all the mosquitoes and bugs. I can't get enough of this view, y'all. It's so beautiful. Let's go back inside and check out the rest of the unit. As you walk past the living room, to the door to the left is the master bedroom. They have a California king size bed, nice vaulted ceilings. They have the TV stand with a nice flat screen TV. I like that all the rooms have flat screen TVs. And here's the desk area, just in case you have to do some work away from home. I like that they have this nice view from the window. You can see out to the patio, kind of see the lake view. Nice little mirror so you can see yourself before you leave out. Little coat closet behind here. It's a nice size. And this is the door to the master bath. I like it. It's a little slide-in door. The doors go into the wall. I like it. That's something I like to have for my home. It's kind of different. I never seen something like this. And when you first walk in, they have the little vanity area with the sink, a nice frame mirror. I like that. And then they have the nice bronze fixtures. I think it's a bit dark in here, y'all. To the left is the water room. It's just basic. I hate that the shower is in the corner. You know, it's a bit dark back here, but it's the basic shower that you would expect. Basic fixtures in the shower, basic towel. A nice little jacuzzi tub. You know, just a nice little basic restroom. And when you go out, I like that they have the 2 bedrooms separated. It's like a co-ed dorm room type feel. And this is the 2nd bedroom. It's nice and spacious. Has 2 queen size beds. It's really nice. You see the boys and jumped all over the beds. Hey, Rylan. And each room has a nice view out, nice vaulted ceilings, flat screen TV set, a little stool for you to sit in, mirror. That's their closet. It's nice. The 2nd bathroom, and that's also for a guest bathroom. Nice frame mirror, bronze fixtures, nice sink area. Basic shower and towel area. And this hallway leads back out to the entryway and kitchen. But yeah, guys, this is the room that Holiday Inn Vacation Club have. They have 3 different types of rooms. They have the signature, they have the presidential, they have the ambassador. Like, this is the basic thing, but it's so nice. It's like a condo. What else can you beat something like this?
This is one of the pool areas they have. It's called Jump Into Paradise. Let's go check it out. It's a cool little vibe. Got a little bar right here. Get drinks. It's a nice pool area though, for sure. I just don't see none of my people. I ain't gonna even lie to you. Stick out like a sore thumb out here. It's a cool vibe though. Come on, let's go check out the other one. This is like the old folks section over here. I don't know if I want to walk over there. There's a whole bunch of old people. Surf shack, souvenirs, gifts, and all that stuff. A whole bunch of old people. It must be the retirement section or something.
Up there they have concerts.
Where?
Up there, they have concerts.
Okay, yeah. Little stage for live music. Man, it's the old folks section. It's a nice vibe though. Put. We can.
That's why it's a park for everyone.
Yeah. Alright, let's go to the other one now. It's a nice souvenir shop. I don't care about nothing else. Alright guys, this is another pool area. It's called the Splash Lagoon. Let's check it out. Cause mind you, we haven't even been to any one of these pool areas since we've been here. Because you know, we went to Universal and Disney, so we haven't even had time to come check out their pool areas, honestly.
They have sand art and they have Starbucks.
Yeah, it's more of a kiddie section. I like this one though, cause nobody over here. It's really cool.
I mean, I even like the one at the beach. Oh yeah.
Oh, it has a lazy river.
Yep. Nah, it's not really a lazy river.
Yeah,
It's just a big pool, pretty much.
And there's a restaurant over there
Yeah.
where you can get to go margaritas and drinks.
It's a cool little vibe though.
Nice lagoons over there.
Yeah, and they got the golf course right behind the pool area too, as you can see. All right, y'all, it's the third pool area. It's called River Island, as you can see. And it's like the biggest one. This the one we had the pool view from our room.
Let me show you the pool.
Yep. Well, I know your cousin them came, so. Pretty big. This is huge. Come on. Yeah, I did. It's huge. Big area too.
And it has sand. The lazy river.
Yeah, it's a water slide too. Let's fly. Volleyball in the water. Our room was over there on that building all the way to the far left. Pretty big though.
We have 3 restaurants you can use.
Arcade room. We're going there coming out. I'm going there coming out though. Check it out.
Just walk across
The little bridge, yeah. Oh, this the lazy river right here. Yeah. We should have came here yesterday. It's a whole water park in itself. Man, this is a nice vibe for real. Look at this bridge, y'all. This made me want to stay at the resort. Too bad we gotta leave today, y'all. But we trying to decide if we want to go back towards Houston, because I know that the coronavirus got the stores in a frenzy. So I know we probably won't even be able to get groceries when we get back. So we thinking about heading to Miami because we already over here in the Florida Keys. But I don't know. Kind of tired. Ready to get back home. But we'll figure it out. We're gonna go to Miami, or if we go back towards Houston. If we go back towards Houston, we're gonna stop in Gulfport, Mississippi tonight, y'all. And they got a nice beach too, but I mean, ain't nothing better than going to fucking Miami, you feel me? So got to look up in the area. This is huge too, man.
Yeah, this is huge. I feel like people be fighting to get over here. Oh, that's a whole another little area.
Yeah. So I'm trying to see. Dang.
Oh, the lazy river go all the way over here.
Miami not sounding too bad after looking at this.
You gotta come back here
I know.
for a day.
Yeah.
Might do it.
Real. I might head to Miami, y'all. Go to the Florida Keys,
Oh,
man.
there go another bridge over there.
I'm already over here. This is ridiculously big, y'all.
Are you gonna stop?
No? No. I'll make a loop. Go back through the arcade. Another big slide right here. It's another bridge too.
That's a nice bridge.
It is. It's a nice vibe, y'all. I might go to Miami just so I can come back here. Huh, Shay? What you think? Alright, this is one of the 3 restaurants here.
On this lot. On this
Yeah, I'll just open the door and show you guys. I don't want to walk in here and disturb everybody while they're eating. Door locked. Lounging area. Oh man, it's a cool lounging area for the kids. They got the Xbox over here, ATM, so you can spend all your money here. They got the little lobby section and computer, so you can print out your stuff. And they also got the games.
The restroom and phones. They got Starbucks.
Yeah.
Hey, this is where you told me to go last time.
Yeah. I have a Starbucks on property for all of those of you that like coffee. I don't really care for it too much, so it ain't really on my radar. See, let's check out the arcade room first, y'all. Treasure Cove Arcade. Oh man. Yeah, we didn't even come here the whole time we've been here either.
The kids are gonna be mad when we show them.
They gonna be mad as hell. That we ain't bring them here. Nice little vibe though. What's up, bro?
Let's say.
Oh shit. Is this laser tag back here? Alright, he go to Muscles Fitness Center.
Oh, we gotta have a key.
Oh damn, we ain't got our room key, y'all. But anyway, it's a nice fitness center. They got everything you need while you're on vacation. Man. Alright, y'all. That was it. They got one more pool section, but I honestly don't feel like going over there. We probably gonna go ahead to the Florida Keys. And yeah, guys, keep checking out our videos. It should be real interesting.
Golf course to have a huge golf course that connects all throughout the.
Yeah, throughout the whole property. It's a big 18-hole golf course. You literally probably walk 18 miles doing it. So golfing ain't my thing anyway. So guys, stay tuned. More footage coming.